Hello and welcome to math class today. We are working today on 5-2 class activity. So this page is in your binder. If you could find the page that says 5-2 and follow along with me, that would be great. I'm not going to do all of this page. I'm just going to do some of it and get you started. So here we go. Today we're going to be talking about ones and tens. So we're going to be adding the ones and tens. If we think of this as straws, when we do our daily morning meeting, we have a straw, and then we have a bundle of 10 straws with a rubber band. And then when we get to 100 days, we're going to have 10 of all of these straws together in one whole packet. So just like that thinking, we're going to think of these one. They're little squares, and if I glue those squares together, I'm going to have 10 of them, literally in the tens place. I have 10 of them stuck together. And then if I have 100, I would have 10 of these tens glued together like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 of those glued together. So 10 is our magic number. We have ones and tens and hundreds. So when I'm adding, we have to think of what place value we're adding in. I'm going to show you a simple way. I'm going to zoom in here. If I have 2 plus 1, come on, that is so easy. I know that the answer is 3. Now, if I have 10 plus 20, I still have my 1 here, and it matches, and I still have my 2 here. We just moved it over this time into the tens place. By doing that, we just added the zeros behind there. So now I still have 2 plus 1, which is still going to be 3, except for this time I still have a 0 at the end. And since they both have a 0, I can just put my 0 in the tens place. So 1 plus 2 is 3, but 10 plus 20 is 30. My base number, my 3, stayed the same. It just moved over place values. If I think of 7 plus 2, I have 7, 8, 9. My answer is 9. Now I have 70 plus 20, and it's the same exact numbers. I just moved it over to the tens place. So now I have 90 because my base number stays the same. I could also count by tens, and I could go 70, 80, 90. That's still the same thing. But I want to show you that if you know the base answer, you will know the answer to the larger numbers. Some of you might have thought 60 plus 30, wow, that's hard, but it's really not. 6 plus 3 is still 9, so 60 plus 30 is going to be 90. I hope you guessed that right. Let's do one more together. 2 plus 7, 9. 20 plus 70, 90. Now I want you to scroll down on your page for a second, and I want to show you this one because people make a lot of mistakes on this. Now they gave us an easy one to start off with, but 5 plus 5 is 10. We all know that. But 50 plus 50, it must be 10. No, it's not. 50 plus 50 is not 10. 5 plus 5 is not the same as 50 plus 50. So this time, we have to just add another 0 because our base number this time was 10. Our base number is still going to be 10, but we just needed to add that 0 to the end of our number because it had to move over one place value. So 8 plus 2 is 10, but 80 plus 20 is going to be 100. And again, I could just count 80, 90, 100. But I wanted to show you to do it this way also. 4 plus 6, 10 again. 40 plus 60 is 100. All right, what I'd like you to do right now is to finish this page. You can pause the video, and then I'm going to show you what to do for your homework. Please ignore number 6. You do not need to do that. And now you can pause this video, and we're going to move on to our homework page. This page is in your packet. It's in that homework packet. It's a big old homework packet. It says of 5. So yesterday's work, you did this one and filled it out and finished it. This is today's work. All right, for today's work, it's the same exact thing. You're going to finish this page for homework. All right, and then it also has a back. But guess what? I want you to put a big, huge X on the back because you do not need to do it. You only need to do the front page. So I'm going to write front page only. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact me through Seesaw or through email, and I'm happy to help you in any way. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you soon.